Hi guys, it's Katniss here, and this time I'm doing a different type of video. It's about my dogs. Spicy, Sugar, come! Look how cute they are! No. Yeah, just hold up one to just punch above their nose. It looks so awesome. Whoa, he almost got it there, but it's just below. Oh my gosh, he's so awesome. Oh my gosh. You deserve that, Spicy. Anyways, I'm just showing you my dog there. One's so cute. The other one's super duper cute. Oh yeah, so yeah. I mean to do entertainment, not people in vlogs, but yeah. I love my dogs. Cutie one, Spice. I'm so cute. And Sugar. They're both girls. They're same age and they're sisters. So yeah, bye.